Okay, so my question broadly, and I'll qualify it as well, impact of AI in education, and I'll tell you where I'm coming from. I've read these Reddit posts where they say that graduate degrees are going to be obsolete, or they're saying that people should work along with graduate degrees. So there's a school of thought which says arts is more important now because it's about soft skills, something AI cannot do, and hard skills are kind of out of fashion. What is your view on it? How is education going to change?
Education going to change pretty dramatically with it. But I think, I don't think arts are going to fly and take off. I don't think AI is going to substitute everything. You know a bunch of AI skills you're going to rule. I think intellectual depth, I think complete handling and expertise in a domain, those things will count for more and more. Right. I would argue that if you look at like a bell curve of graduates, or not even a bell curve, if you arranged graduates in each stream by percentile, where they rank, I think whatever you pick, whether you want to be a dermatologist or you want to be a product reviewer or anything, I think if you're the top 5%, 10% in your field, you will learn, you'll be the expert, and you'll get bigger payoffs. If the bottom half of your field, you're in trouble. Okay. I think all education, one teaches you a bunch of skill set. Yep. Two, it sends a signal. I think in AI, the value of the skill set thing will reduce, especially in specific segments. Right. Especially if it's not cutting edge. So if I'm an absolute doyen in coding, I'll survive. If I'm the go-to doctor who understands multiple variables, I'll survive. But as a regular guy holding out standard stuff in tech or medicine or coding or education or whatever, then the median guy in median below is going to struggle. Right? So, what the elite colleges did, your Harvards and London schools of economics and all of them, the IITs and IIMs in India, not just a skill set. They said you'll be in a peer group and you're jumping through hoops to come here. Therefore, I'm vouching for the quality of this intellect. Right. And I think that intellect, the identification that this is someone who can understand in depth and be in the top 5%, 10% in the field, that is going to still be there. Okay. And if anything, the value of that will increase. Right. So in many ways, I think the top 5% in every field is going to have a chance to run away from the rest a little bit more. Right. And just why I think if anyone wants to survive in the AI world, I think folks are thinking, look, I'll learn how to prompt. That's not going to help. Yeah. How to use AI to do regular coding, that's not going to help. All of that is going to increasingly get taken up by AI. Right. Right. I think the real difference will come if you're the guy who says, look, AI has done this stuff. You give it to me for 10 minutes, I'll see if it makes sense. Right, right. Which is going to be a super important skill set, at least for the next 15 years. Right. Before AI takes that away. Yeah. I think being super elite and having absolute expertise in some niche and promising an extraordinarily powerful processor, these are the things that are going to get you an entry job and then build further on. So I think median below in anything. Right. Jack of all trades, I can do coding also, you're cooked. You're cooked. If you're saying, look, I'll learn how to do Python and code, there's no such job now. Increasingly, every regular job, right. I'm learning how to prompt. If you have to learn how to prompt, you're behind. Yeah. So there's nothing prompt. You have to be in a group of people who says, look, I have prompted with ChatGPT, how different can Claude be? I can get to it in 24 hours. And we all have interacted with those guys. We've all interacted with those folks whom you know. Look, this guy knows jack about Claude. That guy has been working with Claude for 3 weeks. You tell him in Claude, in about 4 hours, he'll overtake that guy. Definitely. You need to be that person, right, who has the command over an ability to process or expertise in a niche. Those things will pay off. The rest will struggle.
Okay, great. Thank you.